Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Posts. Today's news is regarding one of the Korean fishing vessel severely damaged in collision with Russian tug. Russian tug named Shakhtarsk 2 reportedly collided with South Korean fishing boat at around 4 UTC March 30 off Busan, Japan Sea, while en route from Busan. Fishing vessel sustained heavy damages and was about to sink from massive water ingress. But Coast Guard patrol and rescue boats managed to pump out water, deploying extra pumps. Fishing boats was towed to nearest port. Skipper was injured in collision and taken to hospital. Tug resumed her voyage in eastern direction, port of destination unknown, most probably Sakhalin Island port of offshore. CG launched investigation but understood allowed Tug to continue voyage, judging from fishing vessel damages. She struck Tug or they collided head-on. Tug named Sharkstrix 2 IMO 9741619 GT303 built 2015 flag Russia. If you like this information, do share with your friends. Thank you.